An AI agent just deleted an entire production database in 9 seconds, and it knew exactly which rules it was breaking. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Thursday, April 30th, 2026.
Anthropic is embedding Claude into the tools creatives actually use: Adobe, Blender, Autodesk Fusion, Ableton, Splice, SketchUp, Affinity, and Resolum. Claude can automate tedious tasks, write custom code, and tutor you on each platform. The creative AI arms race, Pocket OS founder Jer Crane set explicit rules forbidding destructive commands. His AI agent, running Claude Opus 4.6 inside Cursor, ignored every single one and wiped the entire production database in 9 seconds. Data was recovered, but only after a brutal 30-hour window. The agent later admitted it broke every safety principle it was given. OpenAI missed key financial and user growth benchmarks. CFO Sarah Fryer is reportedly worried the company can't honor its $600 billion plus in future compute commitments. Altman and Fryer issued a joint statement insisting they're aligned, which is exactly what you say when things aren't. Lovable's no-code app builder just landed on iOS and Android. Describe your app by voice or text. The agent builds it autonomously, and you get a push notification when it's ready. You can even hand off mid-build between phone and desktop. Vibe coding just went fully mobile.
That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AI agents deleting production data in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.